This is TECNO SPARK GO 2022, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi. Then you gotta launch the Google Play Store app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Then at the search bar type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can initiate its installation either directly from the search results or open the dedicated app page and tap at the install button over there. Once the app is ready, you can obviously go ahead and launch it. In here, while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple yet necessary setup procedure. So firstly, tap at the blue continue button, then decide whether you are ready to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, or you can absolutely skip this step and think about changing your default browser later. And finally, you can either customize the permissions that Opera will have an access to, or simply allow everything that it needs, or at least everything that it asks for, and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.